Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your lock screen wallpaper on your laptop or PC. It's really simple and you can set up any picture you like. Let's get started. First, click on the Start menu, look for Settings, click on it, then choose Personalization. On the left side, choose Lock Screen. And over here, click on the drop down. You will have the option to choose picture, slideshow, and Windows Spotlight. So for this video, we will just choose picture. Then you can easily navigate and choose any reference images provided. Or much better, you can click on browse and choose any existing pictures you want to be your lock screen. Okay. Once done, you can now scroll down and make some more adjustments in here, but it's not necessary. Then close, refresh, and you can now go ahead, lock your screen, check if all of the changes have now been applied to your computer. And that's it. You have now successfully customized your lock screen with your favorite images. I hope you found this video very helpful.